Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to add different type of brush in Photoshop. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First go to Google and search for free brushes for Photoshop. And come to this site and click here. Here you can search any kind of brush like splatter or paint brush, anything else. See, here is lot of brush. Here is the free download option. Click here. Download has started. Download complete. Now right click, show in folder. Here is the zip file. Right click, extract. Now copy this AVR file and go to Photoshop. Now select the brush tool. Come here. And go to setting. Come to import brush. Paste the AVR file here. See, select the AVR file and load. See, painter brush. You can control your brush size with brackets. See, it's a paint brush. You can also import brushes from your downloaded folder. That's it guys. I see you in the next video. If you think this video is helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.